collaboration has been at the heart of the Dubai Air Show this year, and developing the Airbus supply chain is no exception. Let's learn more. Hi, Andreas.
Hi, Danielle.
We're here at the Strata stand. We're celebrating 15 years together. It's a long partnership. Why don't you tell us more about it?
Well, thanks for having me here. We're very happy to have signed this agreement today with Strata after 15 years of cooperation, developed them further to a Tier 1, notably now on the A350.
Let me take you back to 2008. 2008, we signed our first contract with Airbus. Airbus believed in Strata. Airbus believed in the UAE that it can enter into aerostructures manufacturing. And you know, fast forward 15 years, we started with one production line. Today we have more than 12 production lines. We are on all Airbus's wide-body aircrafts. We manufacture parts for them. Actually, what is more exciting and more important for us is that Airbus supported us training UAE nationals to be technicians and to be engineers. And the past 15 years were great, and we are doubling down on the next 15 years.
Everyone wants to get the best talent. What is Airbus doing about it?
It's part of our cooperation approach, notably with Strata, who are benchmark in that sector, particularly when it comes to diversity and the opportunities for women, be it across all management levels.
Back in the days, we started with 5% UAE nationals, part of Strata. We worked with Airbus, specifically Airbus Business Academy, to establish a dedicated training program to attract UAE nationals. And since then, we had 15 batches trained at Strata, and today our Emiratization rate stands at 68%. Out of 10 UAE nationals, 9 are ladies.
What kind of skills and competences do they bring?
Strata is part of the Emirati ecosystem, which is part of the long-term vision of the Emirates to develop the aerospace sector. It comes with the means, be it either human capital or financially, to develop the sector here, including skills and competences, but at the same time become an essential part of our supply chain.
Excellent. Thank you very much for your time, Andreas.
We look forward for the next 15 years. Airbus has been a strong partner to Strata. Airbus has been a strong partner to Mubadala, and we would like to double down on this relationship.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.